Hi guys, Ange here from Ange's RCs. Just doing another mod on my shock tower. So I ended up deciding to make and fabricate my own shock tower. So I thought I'd give that a go because this is my first one I've actually broken on the truggy here. So it's actually cracked in half. Tried some super glue, but it's holding up, but it's not going to be the best. I know it's going to give way soon, so it's got some cracks right through the middle there. So I ended up just making a couple of photocopies in case I needed them. And then with that plate that is there, that is just hardened plastic. So that's the actual plastic that I've used there. Now you can get these at Bunnings. It's 5mm. So these are actually packers that they use for under concrete panels when they're putting up factories and stuff like that. So if I try and bend that, like you can see my thumbs turning red, like trying to put some force on that, that's hardly bending. So these are really strong and durable. So I'm going to give that a go. I've also drilled it out properly. Ended up going to Sydney Tools, Bunnings. I've only got the taps to pre-order, but this is a M3 0.5 tap. It's only $8 at Sydney Tools. You can probably see the number there. There's too much reflection. It is somewhere there. But yeah, that's just that's an M3 0.5 tap. $8 at Sydney Tools. And these packers, I'm pretty sure you can get them at Bunnings. So if you don't know what Bunnings is, you can probably get them at your Home Depot or something like that. So that's like a full size there, 5mm thick, pretty strong and durable. Yeah, Home Depot if you're not from Australia. But yeah, I want to see how I go with it. I've drilled out all the holes accordingly, and just put a little bit longer screws in for my diff mount there. So they're just a little bit longer, these screws there. And yeah, so everything looks like it should be where it is at the moment. Like I've copied all the holes exactly, drilled them all out. So yeah, we'll see how we go with it. And I'll give it a test run, and yeah, I'll do a review once I'm finished, and we'll see if it's going to hold up. Alright guys, just a short one today, so have a good day, and I'll see you on the next run.